Dear Andaman Sea, I'm sorry for interrupting. I just felt like it was time for me to look at something so quiet, so blue, so beautifully untouched. So I booked the 5 Islands tour from Phuket to Krabi, which isn't quiet at all, especially in Krabi. That's why today I only share with you Chicken Island, 8 kilometers from Anhang. That's true. A remote island, sandy beaches, blue water, trees, only a few tourists, no bar, no music, just peace. Salt, fishes, colors, bubbles, rocks, breathing underwater. Nobody who knocks. Snorkeling to me is dream with your eyes wide open. You know what? In the end, Thailand rocks.
Thai food junkie